Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So the most widespread and most useful way to use ChatGPT is to make it write posts for your social media and for various platforms. I'm going to start from YouTube, how to write for YouTube, and then we'll make our way up to other chat platforms. So let's assume I'm giving this a prompt like I am uploading a training video to YouTube. The video is about installing ChatGPT as an application on Windows. Write a video description. Let's see what it gives us. In this video, we'll show you how to install it as an app on your Windows computer. ChatGPT is an open source model, 3D language model. It can hold intelligent conversation. To install ChatGPT, you will need to have Python 3 and Python installed on your system, and all the other things. Even it gives us the end. And it writes also a thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech videos. So that's very nice. You can copy it from here and paste it into the video description part. Now let's assume that we need a list of tags for video. Tags are very important because tags can get your video more audience, more views, and more clicks. So list a few tags for the above video for my YouTube channel. Let's see what kind of tags it provides us. Here are a few possible tags. Okay, that's very good. ChatGPT, ChatGPT, OpenAI, ChatGPT 3, and the others. Now, obviously, we cannot take this list easily and paste it into YouTube, so I'm going to tell it to rewrite the tags and separate them by comma. So let's see if it can do this for me. Yeah, sure. Okay, so the same list of tags is now separated by comma, and you can also tell ChatGPT to make these tags more attractive. In order to do that, you can come back here, hit the edit button, and when you say list a few, here you can say list a few attractive and engaging, for example, tags, and let's see what it brings us. So, okay, we have more tags here. See, yeah, the list is bigger. And now you can do the same thing. You can change it, separate the above list by comma. And now you can easily copy them from here, and you can paste it onto the YouTube. And now at the end of this, we also need some titles. So let's say suggest a few attractive, comma, interesting, and engaging topics for my video. And the word engaging needs to be corrected for spelling, and enter. So here is a few ideas for video topic. How to use ChatGPT 3 for natural language processing task, building a chatbot from scratch using Python, a tour of the latest chatbot technology, training, common pitfalls. So whatever title you think is the best, you can take it and use it. So subscribe, and don't forget to watch the next video on how to write a post for LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and many other applications.